you're checking me out again at Mostly Healthy Food Reviews. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? First of all, first things first, happy Friday. Second, I got that question. Now, one burning question I got to ask you guys. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Who do I do it for? Y'all know, the families, the foodie family especially, the kids and little ones, because they giggle every single time I do that. Bridgeport, Connecticut. I'm downtown today, guys. I decided to actually swing out to a food truck. I mean, who doesn't love a good food truck, right? Who doesn't love tacos? So I want to put those two things together, try to get a healthier option, a tastier, healthier option. And I'm hearing that there's a particular food truck called Urban Tacos. Now, Urban Tacos, little known fact, I've been trying to get with them for a while, but I keep missing them every time they pop up. I'm either out of town or I'm busy. You get the point. But they've been on my radar for a minute, so I want to swing over real quick, find out what's going on with Urban. Find out if they got the tacos for your hiney. Do they got the best tacos around? Let's find out, man. Y'all know how I do. Mostly healthy food reviews. Let's get started. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm excited about this one. I just left the Urban Taco food truck. Oh, the Urban Taco food truck. Oh, the Urban Taco food truck. Let's talk about it. I've been waiting for so long to run into these guys to get myself some street tacos, some street corn. Very simple, 1, 2, 3. I got time today, and they had time, and they pulled up, and I pulled up, and there was a lot of pulling up. So then I pulled out. My money, that is. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. I'm happy. I'm actually really happy on this one. First things first, matter of fact, here. You guys see the receipt? Street corn, $5. Bottle of water, $2. The tacos were $5 each. How do you go wrong with the prices? You don't. Tons of flavor. I tasted everything from the very fresh onion, the tomato, the cilantro, and there was so much cilantro and everything from the corn to the taco to the chicken that was grilled. This chicken was grilled so nicely. I think I was probably feeling like I was in Mexico getting a real street taco at that moment. I was there. I was in Mexico. Then I had the nerve, besides the chicken taco, to actually get a shrimp taco. I like shrimp on occasion, I do. I don't eat it all the time. And honestly, it actually has to be really banging for me to sit there and get this excited about it. In Urban Taco, you guys did it on this one. The grilled shrimp, the grilled chicken, the soft tortillas, and they give you really thin tortillas, but they wrap them twice. So you get 2 of them that are actually put together on the taco shells. Y'all need to stop acting up. Y'all need to stop showing out. Y'all showing out right now. Urban Taco, loved them, loved them, loved them. I guess by now you guys can tell with me dancing what kind of a score I'm gonna give these. In either case though, let's make them official. Let's put this down in the mostly healthy food review books, because I did feel that these were very light tacos, that they were healthy. There wasn't any kind of condiments or anything on them. They were straight like that. Straight like that. Didn't need anything extra on them. That's how good the flavors were. Urban Taco Company. Food truck. / Oh, man, this was good. I'm going a straight 9 across the board for everything. I could break it down for you. Here's what I would do. I would say that the shrimp tacos, ready? I'm going with a straight bubble on those. I'm going with a 10-piece on the shrimp taco. Oh, this was a good taco. Man, this was a good taco. The chicken, the grilled chicken, very good also. I'm going with a straight 9 on that one. There you have it. 9 and a 10 on the tacos. The street corn, also very good. It was served cold. And that was interesting because I've actually had street corn warm before. I don't know. But this was cold. It was refrigerated, I guess. And the cilantro and the seasonings and the flavors. It was official. It was definitely official. I'm going to actually take my street corn home and finish eating this and snacking on some old vegetables today, because I'm mostly healthy and that's what I do. But ladies and gentlemen, if you like the videos, do me a favor, click subscribe, turn notifications on. That way you get the videos when I drop them. And I drop my videos Mondays and Fridays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard. And during the week as time permits, Wednesdays or Thursdays. And once again, this is Claude, mostly healthy food reviews. YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Newsbreak. I'm on all social media platforms. If there's a health bonus to my food, it's an added bonus. Urban Taco, this is probably gonna go down in the books as a healthy little lunch. Y'all lunching if y'all don't think so. Y'all lunching. Straight up, Joe. I'm bringing my Baltimore side out. Shout out to Morgan State University. Love my Baltimore people. But in either case, let me get up out of here. Enough talking. In either case, y'all be cool on the other side of the pillow. Let me take off. I will talk to y'all next time.